Hello, and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided crystal meditation to help you with managing change and transition in your life. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to start incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And this is a guided meditation that is designed to help you with change in your life. Big change or small change. Change is inevitable. Everything in life is impermanent, everything is temporary, and change happens. But even welcome change, like having a baby or getting married or moving to a new town, even welcome change brings with it a fair amount of stress, anxiety, and concerns. And the transition can be overwhelming. So if you find yourself in a welcome or an unwelcome change, then, it's okay to feel frightened and overwhelmed and scared. It absolutely is. And this guided meditation, it helps us to loosen the grip of attachment to the past. Because sometimes we're struggling against the change because we want things to stay the same. And this guided meditation will also help us open up to the new opportunities, because sometimes we're afraid to step into the new. And then also sometimes just the transition itself is overwhelming. All the things that need to be done to affect the change in your life. So if you're going through a life transition, whether it's big or small or welcome or unwelcome, and you start to feel some anxiety, then just grab your crystal and sit in this meditation and allow yourself some relief from that. Now, you don't need a gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. It will still work for you. But if you do have one of these gemstones, then it will help it work a little bit faster, a little bit stronger for you. And some of the stones that I'll be working with, or that you can use for this meditation, are Labradorite, Charoite, Bloodstone, and Malachite. And today I'm going to be working with Labradorite. And so if you have a gemstone, then put that to the side. And the only other thing that you'll need before we start into this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion, on a chair, directly outside, wherever you can feel alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes. So this is a shorter meditation meant to just help give you some grounding and relief, and to help free you from the grip of panic and open you up to new opportunities. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to picture one in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And try to bring your awareness to just what it feels like to breathe right now. Just focus on your breathing. And then notice how your body feels right now. Check in with your heart and your mind. We're just observing how you're feeling right now. We're not trying to change anything. And then bring your attention to those parts in your body that touch the cushion or chair or the ground beneath you. And remember that you're in contact with the entire mass of the earth. That you are supported by the whole earth. You have access to all of its energy, and it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. And whatever gemstone that you've chosen, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand, your receiving hand. And just continue to breathe. And bring your awareness to the change that's happening in your life right now. And take a look at your heart and see what emotions this transition brings up for you. And then bring your attention to your mind. See what kind of thoughts arise from this change. And then bring your attention to your body and see what physical sensations you feel when you think of this change. Like, where do those emotions hold in your body? Where do they live? And then bring your awareness just back to your breathing. So allow yourself a minute to think about the past and what might be ending in your life. And take this a minute to say goodbye and thank you to the circumstances of the past. And when you feel ready, then take in a deep breath, exhale, and release the past on your breath. Goodbye. And then bring to mind the positive experiences that may come up from this change. You may know what the positive opportunities will be. You may not. The silver lining might be mysterious at this moment, but see the light that may come from this change. Allow yourself a minute to say welcome and hello to new opportunities. And on your next inhale, just inhale those new opportunities for you. The bright, fresh newness that is waiting for you. And then bring your attention to your breath and your breathing, and just be mindful of this present moment. And allow yourself a minute to be okay with how things are right at this moment. No matter what you're feeling, it's okay. And take like 3 deep cleansing breaths. And just come back to normal breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in this guided meditation to help you maneuver change and transition in your life and all of the emotions and logistics and worries and even anticipation that might be involved in this change for you. And, just reminding you that whenever you feel a little overwhelmed by it, then grab your crystal, sit in this meditation, and the more often that you do this meditation, the quicker the benefits you'll receive from your gemstone as soon as you pick it up. That you'll start to feel some anxiety from change, you'll pick it up, and then you're very quickly calm and okay and ready to do what you need to do next to help this transition along. So thanks again for joining me today. And if you're new to this channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. I talk a lot about the situations that you can be in and the crystals that can help you. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.